Hello everyone, and welcome to our panel discussion with Leica Geosystems Mining at this year's HxGN conference. My name is Stefana, and with me here today we have the CEO of Leica Geosystems Mining, Hayden Roberts. To my left is the GM of Product Management, Matt Desmond, and to my far left is Nunzio Gambale, who is from the Locator Corporation. Nunzio is the CEO and co-founder of the Locator Corporation, who are a key technology partner to Leica Geosystems Mining. So let's get right to it. Hayden, please enlighten everybody to the significance of the Leica Geosystems Mining presence at HxGN this year.
Thanks, Steph. Well, this is the first time that Leica Geosystems Mining Division has been represented at HxGN. So this is the first chance we've had to share with our customers, share with our HxGN colleagues and Leica colleagues what we're all about. A vertically integrated business that focuses on fleet management for open pit mining and underground. So it's a great chance to share our stories and get to know our customers and our HxGN colleagues.
Fantastic. Now look, there's been a little bit of talk in the industry about a life of mine solution that is offered by Leica Geosystems Mining. Can you enlighten us?
Sure, that's part of our Leica Mining Solutions strategy. Life of mine describes two things for us. It's the measurement solutions that we bring to the open pit mining industry and also our relationship that we have with our customers. So very much when we look at our product line and solutions, we describe it as a life of mine solution approach in that we look at everything from remediation through to exploration. Our division focuses mainly on fleet management, machine guidance, alternate positioning systems, which is a mission critical solution. But our life of mine strategy also then expands and starts to look at the whole workflow through mining, and we're looking at bringing in other HxGN technologies to focus on that. And we wrap all that in a relationship, a life of mine relationship, where we look at aftermarket services and consulting. So that really fundamentally talks about what life of mine is all about.
Sounds very comprehensive. So look, what can be expected from the mining offering this year, and then particularly moving forward into 2014?
This is our first time at this conference, so we're going to be giving a number of presentations. Customers of ours will be giving presentations. We've got a couple of product managers that will also be talking about the life of mine solutions that we're bringing to market. But what we're hoping for in this conference and future ones is really to network with our customers, network with our fellow HxGN colleagues and Leica colleagues, and really start to inject user training into this, a users conference on an ongoing basis for our global mining customers, and also to introduce them to other HxGN technologies. We're hoping to bring industry experts to next year's conference so that we can actually collaborate on this product roadmap that focuses on life of mine.
That's fantastic, very visionary. Matt, what further things can we expect from mining this year? Can you expand a little more?
Yeah, so this year we're setting the scene as using the conference as a forum for our customers to really engage with us and engage with each other. So we want them to share their experiences that they had and their successes on site using our technologies, also to network with each other so they have a forum to discuss how they get the most out of our systems. We also have an opportunity to meet key Leica staff and Leica mining staff so they can have a direct discussion with us about any of their future needs, and we'll start to put that into action immediately into our roadmap. We also want them to see the range of technology that HxGN offers, so it's substantial benefits can be gathered by using some of the technologies outside of the mining group and brought to bear by bringing that into mining. And we also want to demonstrate our technologies in mining to the rest of HxGN, so our technologies can be put out into other industries such as construction.
Okay, that's fantastic. So what specific presentations are actually going to be showcased at this year's event?
We've got quite an exciting lineup. We've got presentations ranging from a keynote speech from our CEO about the life of mine strategy and the vision of Leica Mining. And then we also have customer presentations that demonstrate some successes that they've had. We have Newmont Boddington Gold in Australia presenting our JPS solution, which revolves around providing high accuracy positions in GNSS denied environments. We also have presentations from Barrick African Gold, presenting on the benefits of optimization. And from the Dominican Republic, presenters coming over to present about business intelligence. And then we also have some of our own product managers presenting on high precision machine guidance and our autonomous program, which is very exciting.
Okay. All right, well look, quite pertinent to the lineup this year from what I can tell and from our other guest is the JPS product. Nunzio, can you give us some insight into the relevance of the JPS product within the mining portfolio?
Sure. Leica has quite a number of presentations here about the autonomous solutions and alternate positioning systems. All of them are both OEM independent and FMS agnostic. And the JPS, the Jigsaw Positioning System powered by Locator, is one of these. Importantly, with the Leica JPS product, Leica can guarantee reliable positioning signals are available in the pit so that safety of life applications and autonomous systems can work effectively. The proof of this is already available from the great reports from mines who are getting great success with JPS. And in fact, merely 3 months after launch, the JPS powered by Locator received the prestigious Mining Magazine Product of the Year award. It's very clear that Leica is leveraging the fantastic work that we're doing with the US Air Force and bringing this type of new technology to mining first. And I'm really proud to say that our great partnership is bringing really strong products to this market, which will ensure efficiency gains in the pit for the life of the mine.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
So it's a very good example of a very
It's a
neat
great
product
partnership
integration.
and a terrific technology advance for this industry. It's a world first, and we're really proud of the great product that Leica is bringing to the mines. People should go and check out the Newmont mining presentations, because there's nothing that speaks stronger than the customer.
Yeah, that's awesome. Look, Matt, I'm aware that you handle product management. What other integration technologies are you looking at using what's available within the HxGN group moving forward?
So we're currently looking at a range of different technologies to integrate and bring into mining. At the forefront of that is Integra's GeoMedia product and GIS engine that we're going to bring into our production monitoring system, but also to give all the operators on all departments of the mine a window into the real-time changing environment on the mine.
Okay.
We're also looking at high-definition scanning and being able to generate and create high-density point clouds of a lot of information very quickly, and feeding that again back into multiple users within the office environment. We're also integrating our airborne imagery and UAV technology into mining, and we're embedding a lot of safety systems into our vehicle-based solutions, which goes in line with our autonomous program to make sure that the whole mine is a safer place to operate. And on top of that, we're looking at optimising the knowledge worker rather than just optimising the production units and getting tons out of the mine. We're also looking at optimising the geologists, the drill and blast engineers, the people that are really hard to get to on site. So we're really looking at a whole workflow, pit to port, and through the whole life of mine, from exploration to remediation.
No, that's fantastic. Really, really interesting. Hayden, did you want to expand a little bit more on some of the overarching strategy attached to this?
Sure, I think Matt made some great points there about our approach to looking at the whole workflow in mining, and really our vision is to be the #1 measurement solution provider in the mining industry. Right now, we see ourselves as being OEM independent and FMS agnostic, which are great differentiators for us. So our focus and our strategy is going to look at a number of areas. As you heard Nunzio talk today about our partnerships, they're very important to us. Whilst we're going to grow our core product, we also realize that looking at life of mine, we don't have all the technologies within HxGN, so we partner with other organizations, and Locator is an excellent example of that. ASI is another partner that we have where we focus on autonomous solutions for mining machinery. We're also going to be looking at possible acquisitions to grow our product portfolio. We'll also look at other HxGN and Leica technologies, as Matt mentioned. The other thing that we are going to do is look to grow our footprint around the globe. We've expanded into Africa this year, into Europe and Central Asia. Through the use of Leica and HxGN offices, we'll be putting our mining teams into other regions around the globe, and that's really to be very close to the customer. Again, it's very important as part of our life of mine relationship to focus on that. And then finally, we also are going to be looking at a lot more corporate account management relationships. So dealing with corporate mining companies to really work closely with them at a corporate level to collaborate on an aligned product roadmap around measurement solutions for them, and then working on the local level to actually execute and implement those solutions.
Now that's lovely. I'm aware that there has been quite a significant growth within the mining division over the last 12 months, so you're to be commended. Look, it's no secret that the mining industry is an interesting place, and in the current economic climate. You captain the ship of Leica Geosystems Mining. What are some of the challenges that the mining industry is facing, and what are some of the solutions that Leica Geosystems Mining are offering?
Well, I think in the last 10 years, we have had a mining boom, and we're obviously coming off the back of that now. We still see a lot of volatility in the commodity prices, which is affecting the miners' share price and their profitability. There's been a significant change in the executive management of a large number of those mining companies. Shareholders are asking for more restraint on capital investment. The miners are also recognizing that they've got very high operating costs. And fundamentally what we do today with our products is focus on the optimization of the mining machinery in open pit mining. So we fundamentally optimize the flow of trucks between the shovel and dump, and we save the miners percentage points off their costs. We also improve productivity from anywhere from 5 to 15%. We're going to continue to offer those solutions, but expand it across the workflow of mining, optimizing knowledge workers, looking at terrain management, embedding that more into fleet management. So really improving upon what we do today, but at the core of what we do is save the miners money and improve productivity.
All right. Well, you've heard it here first. There are some big things ahead for Leica Geosystems Mining, and some big things already achieved. Thank you very much for your time, and of course, watch this space.